Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this FreeCAD Sheet Metal tutorial, I will show you the application of sheet metal tools like at base shape, make wall, fold by sketch, hem, and also how to create the cutout for ventilation in FreeCAD Sheet Metal. This is the exercise for today. We convert this ESO view drawing without dimensions step by step into this 3D sheet metal solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to create this 3D solid part. In step 1, we create the position 1 profile with the help of Sheet Metal Base Shape tool. First, switch from the Part Design workbench to Sheet Metal workbench. Next, activate the Sheet Metal Add Base Shape tool and then select the option Flat Shape Type. In this dialog window, set the parameters of the base sheet metal. In step 2, I will show you how to fold the sheet metal by using a bendline sketch. Select the top face and then activate the sketch tool. Sketch the bend line and then close the sketch. Next, select the top face and the line and then activate the Fold a Wall tool. In this dialog window, set the bend radius and the bend angle. In step 3, we create a flange on the side edge and then bend it again with the sheet metal hem tool. Now select the edge and then activate the Make Wall tool. In the dialog window, set the parameters according to the drawing specification. With the offset setting, you can define the width of the flange. Set the Relief Cuts parameter to 0 to avoid any cutouts on the base sheet metal. Next, select the upper edge and then activate the Add-on tool. Select one of the bend type option and set the other parameters. In step 4, we create the rear flange in 3 steps. Select the rear edge and then activate the Make Wall tool. Now select the flange both side edges and then activate again the Make Wall tool. Set the length to 15 millimeters. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In Step 5, we create the 2 holes on the rear flange and the cutouts for ventilation on the base sheet metal. Switch to Part Design Workbench. Select the front face of the flange and then activate the Sketch tool. Next, sketch a circle with any dimension. Extract the reference edges for dimensioning. Now, assign the dimensions. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to millimeters or more millimeters. Select the pocket and then activate the Mirror tool. In this dialog window, select the option Base XZ Plane. Next, we sketch the cutout profile for ventilation and remove material from the created solid part. Select the top face and then activate the Sketch tool. Now, sketch circular profiles with different dimensions. Next, sketch centered rectangles with a width of 2 millimeters. Now, remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to 5 millimeters. As you see, the 3D sheet metal part is finalized. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.